Finally got my outdoor cooking range set up out here. Takes some getting used to when I'm not feeling really well and have flare-ups. Southwestern style beef, keto friendly, because only a certain amount of it is exercise. Exercise can help you out, but probably about 75% of it is diet. No, it's a what's with the rain, Xena? I know. This is like lame. I wanted to go on a hike. I know. I like the sun out here, and it's not out, Mom. I know, baby. But you know what? I'm really proud that you didn't eat the beef. So I'm going to share some beef with you in a little bit, okay? 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 Sound good? Does that sound good? Yeah, it does. Okay. So this is not a grill. I'm using a Coleman stovetop, which I really liked. I would prefer a grill though. If you have to pick between one, get the grill. It's going to be more versatile. You can still do the same thing as you can on a stovetop, but you can't do the same thing on a stovetop as you can on a grill. It's diced tomatoes that I got at the discount grocery store, and they had organic diced tomatoes for $1. I love it. That's Ken's grocery outlet. And then I put some, it's called Santa Fe mix. It's black beans, corn, and just a little bit of corn, and green chili. And so this is a skillet meal, and so what you do is you just cook the sauce about 75% done, and then you add it to the meat slowly. And then you get a really healthy, no preservatives added skillet meal. And you can put this on a bed of rice. You can, like I said, do a salad. I'm going to do a salad. And then you let it residual cook the rest of the way. And so I'll show you the end result. Now Xena and I are going to taste test it. I think it's pretty good. You want to see? Test it. Did it? I think we did good. All right, this is the end result. Muy delicioso. This is the stuff I put in it. It's a Southwestern style salsa seasoning mix. So any kind of salsa seasoning mix would do, but that one's particularly excellent. And so I've got the side salad and the skillet. Oh, and one last thing, I will be doing more meals, but I'm just going to do meals that are really easy to do in an RV. I'm not going to make this a food channel. So you're awesome. And also check me out on the Nomadic Babe channel.